All right, for this one, I'm going to find the missing side here by setting up a trigonometric ratio. So I've got, first thing, my reference angle is a 57-degree angle. So I wanted to find my sides based on that angle, the one that's opposite the 57. We label opposite. And then this side here is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So I need a trig function that relates the opposite to the hypotenuse. I'm going to use that SOHCAHTOA hopefully to help me remember that sine is the one that relates the opposite to the hypotenuse. So I've got the sine of my reference angle, the sine of a 57-degree angle is simply the ratio of the side opposite compared to the hypotenuse, which in this case is x. So there's my equation. I just want to multiply both sides by x to get it out of the denominator. So I get x sine 57, and then I divide by sine of 57. And I get x equals 10.8 divided by sine of 57. Pull out my calculator here. Calculator, hopefully, let me just enlarge this window so you can see. So I've got 10.8 divided by sine of 57. So I'm going to plug that in, 10.8 divided by, and then I'm going to use my parentheses. I need to find the sine of 57. So on one of these scientific calculators, I enter the 57, the angle first, and then I go up here to trigonometry. I need the sine of that thing. So I click on that, close my parenthesis, and now I've got, you can see up here, 10.8 divided by the sine of 57. Go hit equals. There's my answer, 12.877. So let's round to the nearest tenth and we'll get 12.9. So I've got my side, the hypotenuse in this particular case, is about 12.9 units long.